Hey, Al Nystrom with Lincoln Electric, and I want to talk about the UI on the Frontier 400X pipe. Now we have a very robust UI that I've talked about in a previous video, but out on the job site things happen. Piece of pipe goes through it, something we need to go ahead and replace it. We've made it very simple to get in there, swap it out, get a new one in, keep yourself running. Starts with these 4 screws right here. These are 5/16. Just go ahead, take these out. Once we pulled those screws out, the UI drops down. We only have 2 connections here. Pull up on the tab. You're going to want to remove this rubber gasket. Then we grab our new UI. Put the rubber gasket right back on. Connect our plugs. Make sure they're fully seated. Slide the UI in. Put in the 4 screws. And you're all set. If you have any other questions about maintenance on the Frontier 400X pipe or anything else from Lincoln Electric, go to lincolnelectric.com.